Though you will see click to continue and replay buttons in this video, these features are not supported by this format. You may want to pause the video when you see these buttons. If you want these features and the supplemental slides and files that correspond to the video, then enroll in the course at biztricks.us. I begin this course by discussing union and union all. Union combines the results from separate queries into one result set. SQL simply stacks the results on top of one another. Union will exclude duplicates. Union all will include duplicates. Let's look at a few simple examples. In this first example, we append 5 names together into a single row-based table. Our result yields 5 records. In this second example, we remove the all keyword from the query. Our result yields 4 records instead of 5 because the duplicate value, Jane, is removed. When using union, you must ensure you follow 2 rules. 1, the number and order of fields must be the same in the queries. And 2, the data types for the fields must be compatible with one another. Let's take a look. The shape area table has 2 records, circle and triangle with their corresponding area. So there are 2 fields. I want to add square to the table. I can select everything from shape area and union all my new record. If I provide only one field, then I will get an error because I violate the rule that the tables need to have the same number of fields. What if I accidentally swap my values by putting the area before the shape? I get an error because SQL can't convert a string data type to a number data type. This violates the second rule. It doesn't make sense, but I want to stack shapes with shape area. I want to put the area field into the cost field. Take a moment to consider how you might do this. I'm using null for the empty values, but I could have used a different value for color and entry date. Null is useful because it is easy to identify, and it avoids a data type conflict error because data types are set up to accept null values. Let's do the same thing, but put area in a new column to the right of entry date. As I make the change, notice that it can be hard to keep track of the select star and the number of positions I need. So I recommend that you do not use select star for union. Data types will follow SQL's data precedence. I'll talk more about this in a later lesson, so just know that SQL will do the work of keeping the highest data precedence when combining data together to ensure you don't lose information during the union process. In this case, the date field is converted to date time 2 because date time 2 is higher in the data precedence.